Good morning, class. Okay, so today we are going to tackle multiplying binomials. But before we proceed in discussing this topic, allow me to review first what we have discussed yesterday. So our topic yesterday was about we have discussed yesterday the topic multiplying monomials. And for me to know if you really understand our topic yesterday, I am going to give you some equations for you to solve. So, but before that, you must group yourselves into four. Start from you. One, two, three, four. Okay, proceed to your group mates. Do it silently. Okay, tapos na ba? Okay, each group will answer these equations. But the way you are going to answer is through saying your group names. So group 1, you are the claw group. Number 2, gift box. Number 3, smiley. And number 4, ice cream. So if you're going to answer these equations, you must first say your group name. Let's say the ice cream group. Okay, you're going to stand and say your group name. Get it? Okay, equation number 1. We have, okay, who's going to answer? Yes, group 2. Mm-hmm. What's it again? X, X squared and Y squared. Is it correct? Okay. The answer is X squared and Y squared. So, another one. We have, okay. Sino yung nauna? Okay, group 1. The claw group. What's the answer? Hmm? X raised to 9 and Y raised to 3. Tama ba? Tama ba, class? Okay, tama. Sure. Correct po ito. Tsaka ito. Okay. Last equation. Hindi pa nakakapag-answer yung dalawang grupo. Dalawang grupo pa lang yung nakaka-answer kanina. The clock and then the box. The last is, okay. Sino yung nauna? Okay. Yung clock pa rin. Okay, clock. What's the answer? Y raised to 9. Tama ba? Parang mali. Another answer. Okay, smiley. Y raised to 8. Yes. Tama yun. Y raised to 8. Kasi, kapag i-distribute natin yung y squared to y raised to 6, ang magiging kalabasan is y raised to 8 kasi we're going to add these two exponents. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So, it seems like ready na kayo para itakal natin ang multiplying binomials. Let us first clap your hands to those who have completely answered the exercises. Okay. Okay, let us start the discussion proper. Multiplying binomials. In discussing this lesson, we have different objectives. First, we get to know how to multiply polynomials or the binomials. Second, use different techniques in multiplying binomials. The third, carefully use techniques in multiplying binomials. So all of these objectives will be achieved once we have go through discussing the multiplying of binomials. So first, what is a binomial? Binomial, a mathematical expression, consists of two terms connected by plus or minus. So here I have Okay, I have here set of polynomials that you are going to classify if it is a binomial or not from this definition. So again, let us read. Binomial, a mathematical expression, consists of two terms connected by plus or minus. So here, maaaring ipag-ituro kay teacher kung saan ang binomial at hindi. Kaya ba? Let us analyze this definition. Sabi, it is a mathematical expression na consists of two terms connected by a plus or a minus. So, here, ang 4xy, connected ba siya? Connected ba siya by a plus or minus sign? Meron ba siyang plus or minus sign? Wala. Wala siya, teacher. So, it means hindi siya binomial. Let us proceed to 12y squared minus 4. Connected ba siya by a plus or minus sign? Yes, teacher. Kasi andito ang minus sign. And two terms siya. One term is 12y squared and the second term is negative 4. Kaya ito ay binomials. Nagigets ba ako mga bata? Okay. Sabihin nyo na kung hindi nyo nagigets na sinasabi ni teacher. But this 12y squared minus 4 is a binomial. Yes, it is correct. How about pi? Is this a binomial? Connected ba siya by a plus or minus sign? May nakikita ba kayo dito ang plus or minus sign? Wala. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito binomial. Ganun din ito. How about this x plus 5? Connected ba siya by a plus or minus sign? Saan? Plus? Andito. Andito, teacher, ang plus. So, ibig sabihin, siya ay binomial. Aside from the plus or minus sign, kailangan two terms siya connected by this sign. So, first term niya is x. And the second term is positive 5. So, that is why it is considered as binomial. How about this? 9x plus 2. Okay, connected po siya with a positive sign. Tapos, two terms siya. First term is 9x and the second term is positive 2. So, that is why this is a binomial. How about this? ax plus by. Connected siya by a positive sign. And two terms siya. Ang first term is ax and the second term is by. That is why this one is a binomial. How about this? Okay, may plus and minus sign siya. However, hindi siya consist of two terms. Three terms siya. Meron tayong x squared, meron tayong 3x, and then meron tayong negative 15. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya binomial. Kasi ang sinasabi dito, it is a mathematical expression consists of two terms. Two terms lang siya. Pero dito kasi, tatlong terms siya. We have x squared, 3x, and then negative 15. Even though it is connected by a positive and the minus sign, still, hindi siya two terms. Three terms siya. That is why it is not considered as a binomial. Okay? Ang binomial lang dito is, ang binomial ay 12y squared minus 4, 9x plus 2, x plus 5, ax plus by. Yun lang. Ito lang silang apat. Ito lang silang apat ang binomial natin. Xy, and then 4xy, and then the y, and the x squared plus 3x minus 15, they are not considered as binomial mathematical expression. Okay, let's proceed in the different methods on how we are going to multiply binomials. Actually, there are a lot of techniques on how we are going to multiply binomials. And the most common na ginagamit natin is FOIL method. Are you aware of the FOIL method? Hindi. Okay, we're going to discuss that. But bago yan, kailangan muna natin i-group kayo into 5 groups. Again, I'm going to start there sa pinakapunta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ang mga napili kong 1 ay dito. Ang group 2 naman ay doon. Ang group 3, ang group 4, and the group 5. So please go to your respective groups and do it silently. Okay, in multiplying binomials, we have here the most common way on how to multiply binomials through FOIL method. FOIL method means F stands for first term, O means outer term, I means inner term, and L means last term. Last term. So, in multiplying binomials through FOIL method, we can use the smiley method, the ice cream method, and the claw method. So, in here, when we're going to use the smiley one, we have here the smiley one. The first term will be the x times the x, and then this is the first term. So, write na lang natin siya dito para mas mabilis na. X plus 2 times x plus 4. In doing the smiley method, we have the first term. Ang first term niya is x times x. The outer term is x plus 4. And then the inner term is 2 times x. And then the last term is 2 times 4. So, maybe you will be wondering, bakit siya tinawag the smiling method? It is because it smiles like this. Here, para siyang you're connecting what you're going to multiply through a smile. You have the first term, you have the first term, the last term, the inner term, and then the last term. It smiles like this. Ganyan. Kaya siya tinawag na smile method. So, yung gagawin natin is, we have the first term, 2 times, x times 2 is x squared, and then x times 4 plus 4x, and then 2 times x will be plus 2x, and then the last term is 2 times 4 equals to 8. So, combine like terms. So, yung like terms lang dito is yung 4x and then the 2x. So, yun lang gagawin natin. Yun lang ang i-add natin. And then the remaining term na walang kapareho, we will just copy. So, x squared, 4x plus 2x will be positive 6x, and then bring down positive 8. So, that's it. The answer here is 2x, x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay. Nakuha ba yun mga bata? The second part, we have the ice cream method. So the ice cream method, we have there x minus 3, x plus 5. So yung ice cream method is just like the cone. Yung pag-v, yun yung sa ice cream method. So, first term, we have x and then the x. The outer term, we have the x and the 5. And then the inner term, we have the 3, negative 3, and the x. And here we have the last term of negative 3 and then positive 5. Para siyang cone, yung kanina smile, ngayon, cone naman ang gagamitin natin. It's just a matter of perspective, you guys. If you want whatever kind of method, as long as you do the right process. So, first term, x times x is x squared. Second term, we have x times positive 5, we have plus 5x. The inner term, we have negative 3 times x, we have negative 3x. And then the last term, we have negative 3 plus times positive 5, we have negative 15. So just like what I've said, bring down the unlike terms, we have the x squared, and then the two like terms, we have positive 5x and negative 3x. We have positive 2x, kasi 5x minus 3x is equal to positive 2x, and then bring down negative 15. That's the answer. We have x squared plus 2x minus 15. That is for the ice cream method. How about the claw method? We have there x minus 4 and then x plus 1. Okay, sa claw method naman, it's like a claw. Parang ganito. Kasi, kapag sinabi natin first term, x times x of course, and then the outer term we have here, the x and times 1. The inner term we have negative 4 times x, and the outer term we have negative 4 and 1. So, parang dinidikit lang siya. It's like a clock here. Nagigets ba ako mga bata? It's like a clock. Parang dinidikit na pala niya. Okay? Kaya tinawag siya ng claw method. So, let us answer that. So, first term we have x times x, we have x squared, and then the outer term we have x times 1, we have plus x. We have the inner term, negative 4x, and the last term we have negative 4 times 1, we have negative 4. Break down the unlike terms, we have x squared, like term ang x in here, so we have positive x minus 4x, we have negative 3x, and then bring down the negative 4 kasi wala naman siyang kasama, that is our constant term. Okay, that is the answer. X squared minus 3x minus 4. That is for the Coulomb method. So now, I'll give you a chance to answer it. Each group. Okay, so for the smiley method, gawin nyo ang sinasabi ko. X plus 5, x plus 1. Do this using the smiley method. Okay? I'll give you 3 minutes. 2 minutes na lang. Kasi masyado yung mga Okay. Tapos na? Okay, tapos na agad sila. So let's see. Who can answer in the board? Okay, go. Tama ba ang answer niya? Okay, let's check. We have here the first term of x times x, using the Snyder method ito ha, and then using the outer term of x times 1, and then the inner term x plus x times 5 times x, and then the outer term here 5 times 1. So we have x squared plus 5x plus x plus 5. So we have here x squared, 5x plus x, we have 6x, and then plus 5. Tama ba? Okay, correct. Using the Snyder method ito. How about using the ice cream method? We have here x plus 3, and then x minus 1. Using the ice cream method. Yes, group 1. Tama ba? Hindi kayo sigurado? Okay, let's check. So, we're using the ice cream method. So, x times x, we have x squared. And then the outer term, we have x minus times negative 1 is equals to negative x. And the inner term, we have here 3 times x, we have positive 3x. And then the last term, 3 and x, 3 and negative 1, so we have negative 3. So the correct answer is plus 2x minus 3. Hi! Magkaiba yung answer, pero ito yung tamang answer. Nag-gets mo mga bata? Okay. Ito ang answer niya. Kasi kapag ginawa mo ang ice cream method, you should be aware of the step-by-step kung saan mo siya ita-times. So, since we have here x times x is x squared, x times negative 1 negative x, we have the inner term 3 times x equals 3x, and then the last term we have positive 3 and the negative 1, that is negative 3. So, bring down the unlike terms, we have x squared, and then the like terms here, we have the same variables, so kailangan natin siyang i-add or i-subtract. So we have the negative x plus 3x will be equal to positive 2x, and then bring down negative 3. So this is the answer. How about Coulomb method? Coulomb method, we have x plus 2, and then x minus 2. Okay, who can answer? Yes, group 3. Okay, so parang kakaiba ito kasi wala siyang second term with variable. So, let's try. So, yung Coulomb method is x times x, first term natin. And then the last term is x minus 2. We have x squared minus 2x. And then the inner term we have 2x plus 2x. And then outer term we have negative positive 2 times negative 2, we have negative 4. So, we have to cancel this because negative 2x plus positive 2x will be 0. We don't have to put 0 here kasi it's not necessary to put 0. It is already understood na wala tayong variable with x. So, ang answer natin is x squared minus 4. So, tama. Ganun na kasimple. So here, we have another method on how we are going to solve the multiplying of binomials. Yung una natin, we have the FOIL method. Under the FOIL method, we have the Smiley method, the ice cream method, and the Coulomb method. Now, the second method will be the vertical multiplication. So this is the most, sinasabi nila na traditional way in multiplying binomials. So all you have to do is arrange the two binomials. So here we have x minus 5 and the x minus 6. So ang sabi, we have to organize first these two. So pag in-organize natin yung magiging x minus 5 and then x plus 6. So para ka lang nag-add or nagsusubtract. So here you have negative 30, and here you have negative 5 times 6, we have negative 30. 6 times x, we have positive 6x. And then, cross multiply ulit. X times negative 5, we have negative 5x. And then, x times x, we have positive x squared. Ayan. Nagigets mo na ba bata? Nagigets ba? Okay. We are going to solve just like what we have do in FOIL method. We just combine or add or subtract the like terms. So ang like terms natin dito ay 6x and then the negative 5x. So yung x squared and then the negative 30, bring down na natin siya. Kasi wala siyang kasama. So totally it means na wala kang kailangan baguhin sa kanila. So just put there x squared and then the negative 30. And then what you're going to do is you have to solve this. 6x minus 5x will be positive x. Ganun lang kadali. Ganyan ang vertical multiplication. You have just to organize and then cross multiply and then combine the like terms. Okay. Solve this using vertical multiplication. Anyone from the group? Yes. Okay, ito yung answer niya. X squared plus 14x plus 48. So we are going to get the process of this. X plus 6, all you have to do is organize it first. Organize the two binomials. Na parang kapag nag-a-add naman yung subtract na manually. So cross multiply 6 times 8, we have 48, positive 48. And then 8 times x, we have 8x. Cross multiply ulit, x times 6, we have 6x. Positive 6x. And then x times x, we have x squared. Bring down the unlike terms. We have x squared and then 48. Always mo siya i-bring down kasi wala naman siyang kasama. Unlike this one, na parehas lang may variable na x. So, you have to solve this too. So, 8x plus 6x will be positive 14x. Tama ba? Okay, tama. Tama ang process. Tama ang process, it means na tama rin yung answer. Okay, let's proceed to the last method. We have the box method. So yung box natin, obviously, box talaga siya. Literal na box. So x minus 2, and then do, I'm just going to make it larger. Okay, and then x minus 4. Nagigets ba yung box? Pinag-isip na ba kayo? Yes, tama. Kasi bawat box mayroon siyang letter. yung FOIL natin. Ibig sabihin, yung ilalagay sa box na ito is ang first term, and then dito sa box na ito, ang outer term, inner term, and the last term. So, we have here the first term. X times x ang ating first term. So, that is why ilalagay natin ito ang x squared. Nagets ba? And then, dito naman, outer term na nilalagay dito. So, yung outer term natin is 2 and x. So, negative 2 times x, we have negative 2x. Yan ang outer term natin. While ang inner term naman natin is x and negative 4. So, x and negative 4 is negative 4x. And then, ang last term natin is negative 2 and then negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 will be positive 8. Okay. So, ayan na. Meron na tayong first term, outer term, inner term, and the last term. So, what we're going to do is, we have to solve like terms. Tama. Ang like terms natin dito ay dito. Okay. And then our negative 2 and then 8, isusulat na lang natin siya. So, we have 2x plus 8. Ang kulang niya is ito. Negative 2x plus negative 4x will be, yes, negative 6x. Nagets ba? Ito lang yung ating isusolve. This one. This one only. Kasi sila naman yung may like terms. Yung x squared and then 8, i-rewrite na lang natin siya. Okay. Gets ba? Raise your hands sa mga nakagets. Oh, ang dami. Okay. I'm going to proceed now. Kayo na lang mag-answer. X minus 3 and x plus 5. Using box method. Who's gonna answer? Yes. Okay, ang answer is x squared plus 2x minus 15. Yun ang answer ng group 2. So, let us find the correct answer. So, ang first term we have, yes, x squared. Kasi x times x. How about the outer term? The outer term is x in negative 3. So, negative 3x. The inner term, we have the 5 and the x. So, we have 5x. The last term, we have positive 5 and the negative 3. So, we have negative 15. So, again, isolve natin yung may like terms. Ang like terms na ay dito. So, bring na lang natin ang x squared and then negative 15. X squared minus negative 15. So, 5x minus 3x will be positive 2x. Tama ba? Okay, tama. Tama kayo. Ibig sabihin, naiintindihan nyo na yung iba't ibang methods on how to multiply binomials. First, we have the FOIL method. The second, we have the vertical multiplication. And then the third one is using the box method. So here, I'm going to get group activity. Yan yung group nyo supposedly. And then you're going to answer this activity. Okay. I will be giving you 10 minutes of the remaining time. Oh, no. I'm going to give 5 minutes only. Kasi madali lang naman ito eh. And the remaining 5 minutes again will be the minutes of your presentation. Okay, so allow me to give you the instruction. So this will be the group activity. So you will be composed of 5 groups. Remember? Yes, you have 5 groups. And then what you're going to do is you are going to decide. It is you who are going to decide what are or what will be your method of choice. Sabihin nyo kung ang gusto nyo bang gawin is for method using smiley, ice cream, and the claw, or you're going to use a vertical multiplication or the box method. So it's up to you. And then afterwards, you are going to discuss bakit yun ang napili mong method. What makes it effective for you? Bakit sa tingin mo effective siya? Bakit madali? Ganyan. Yun ang gagawin nyo sa inyong presentation. You're not just going to give the answer in each equation, but we're also going to discuss why did you use that method. Okay? I'll give you 5 minutes, and your 5 minutes starts now. Go class. Tapos na ba mga bata? Okay. Bubbles up. Okay. So I am going to give a correct answer here. The correct answer here, since kayo naman yung pumili, kapag kayo yung pumili na kung ano yung method na gagawin nyo, I am just going to give you the correct answer here, and then it's up to you on how you're going to discuss it. The correct answer for number 1 is 27x squared plus 3x minus 2. Tama ba lahat? Oy! Tama raw sila. Okay, number 2. We have x squared plus 4x minus 21. Tama ba? Parang tama ang 1. And then, last is 12x squared plus 2x minus 2. So these are the answers for this equation. Okay, and what you're going to do now is discuss the process, kung paano nyo nakuha yung answer, and then discuss why did you choose the method. Okay, I'll give you the floor. Okay, since tapos na ang presentation, clap your hands naman tayo. Okay, so as I observed, marami na sa inyo ang nakaintindi kung paano mag-multiply ng binomials. Marami pa rin yung hindi masyadong nag-gets, pero don't worry, we're going to improve that. Today, since patapos na yung oras natin, I'm going to give you assignment. Please copy this. Copy your assignment. 3x plus 5 times x plus 1, and then negative 4x plus 2 x plus. Okay, I will give you these two equations, and you're going to answer them tomorrow. And then here, yes, what kind of you are going to choose. It's up to you. This is an individual, okay? Individual assignment. You're going to choose either foil method, vertical method, or the box method. It's up to you. Okay? Since wala na tayong oras, we still have 1 minute. 1 minute na lang. And I just wanted to ask you if ano yung natutunan nyo ngayong araw sa multiplying binomials. Yes? Okay. Natutunan mo ang mag-identify ng binomials. Yung binomials natin. Okay. But how you are going to identify binomials from the different mathematical expressions? Yes. And then? Yes? Okay. Natutunan daw niya kung paano na mag-multiply ng binomials. As well as natutunan niyo rin ang iba't ibang methods on how to solve multiplying binomials. We have the FOIL method. Under the FOIL method, we have the smiley, the ice cream, and the clock, and then the vertical multiplication and the box method. So here, I am requiring you to be your own masters. It is up to you if what kind of method you are going to use in multiplying binomials. As long as you feel comfortable and you feel effective in using the method. Okay? That's all for today, class. Class dismissed.